Hello everyone, welcome to Reorder Paragraph Real Exam Question Series, and this is 56th video in this series. It means that we have already covered 55 real exam PT questions जो students को reorder paragraphs real exam में आए हैं. Along with that, we have discussed the hacks, the trap tips and the strategies how to solve them. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. It means that whatever I'm going to tell you is going to work, so you have to make sure that you apply our strategies very carefully and you can also achieve your target score. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. Now, first things first is that now PTE is accepted in UK for study, work or settlement, and 90% of Canadian universities now accept PTE academic. PTE reading is of 32 to 41 minutes and it has 5 question types and it is not scored out of 90, it is scored out of 47 marks only. And today's topic is reorder paragraphs, which is the third question type in this reading order. Okay, and this is a real scoring of reading where you can see the reading module just contributes 47 marks. Reorder paragraph are of 6 marks. It means that they are 3 marks each if you are getting 2 reorder paragraphs. Okay, now how much time you can spend to solve one reorder paragraph? The answer is 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, what you have to do, first of all, you have to skim, then you have to apply our strategies, then you have to make pairs, then you have to confirm if all the pairs are correct or not. And this is today's reorder paragraph. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds and then we are going to discuss it. Okay, so you know that we do the skimming first to find independent line and concluding line, and concluding line is optional. For independent line, we have certain strategies, steps which you need to focus on. Okay, so the story tells us two things about European business, both positive. The story means already kuch define ho chuka hoga, right? That's why we cannot have this as an independent line. What we are doing over here is using process of elimination to eliminate the wrong options. The takeover battle raged for the takeover battle. It means कि कोई battle की बात हो चुकी होगी. Takeover means जब एक कंपनी दूसरी कंपनी को buy out करती है, that is known as takeover. So इसके बारे में भी कुछ बात हो चुकी होगी. Before Arcelor's bosses finally listened to shareholders who wanted the board to accept the Mittal's third offer. First, अब फर्स्ट की बात मीन्स पहले कोई बात हो चुकी होगी. फर्स्ट शेयर होल्डर्स एक्टिविज्म इज इंक्रीजिंग इन अ कॉन्टिनेंट वेयर अंटिल रिसेंटली इट वाज डिप्रेसिंगली रेयर. सो फर्स्ट कभी भी इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन में ऐसे नहीं हो सकता. कोई बात हो चुकी होगी. कौन सी दो बातें हो चुकी हैं? ये स्टोरी वाली टू थिंग्स, राइट? तो यहाँ पे आप इसको ऐसे फर्स्ट थिंग लगा सकते हो. द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट स्टील कंपनी was taken over by Mittal, a Dutch registered company run from London by its biggest single shareholder Lakshmi Mittal, an Indian who started his business in Indonesia. So अब यहाँ पे क्या ये इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन हो सकती है? हाँ, हो सकती है. क्यों? अब स्टूडेंट्स कहते हैं सर द वर्ल्ड्स लगा हुआ है, बट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर जितने भी आपके सुपरलेटिव होते हैं, सुपरलेटिव्स मीन्स जैसे लार्जेस्ट लिखा हुआ है, so उनके साथ हमेशा द यूज होता ही है. So this can be your independent line. And more important means पहले कोई बात हो चुकी होगी, इसीलिए this cannot be your independent line also. You see, through process of elimination we had found our independent line, so we are going to drag it over here. Now we have to see how to make pairs, right? So the story, अब कौन सी story? क्या यहाँ पे ये story है? हो भी सकती है, नहीं भी हो सकती. Okay, let's see. The takeover battle. अब यहाँ पे क्या बात हो रही है? Now coming to our SO strategy, which is subject object strategy. यहाँ पे कहाँ पे बात हो रही है takeover की? यहाँ पे largest company was taken over. So takeover battle raged for 6 months before Arcelor's bosses finally listened to shareholders who wanted the board to accept the Mittal's third offer, right? And depending upon our names strategy also, right? So Lakshmi Mittal यहाँ पे उनका complete name है और यहाँ पे उसका second name use हो रहा है, right? So just based on these two strategies, we can make sure that these are our pair. So we are going to make it over here. अब इस ये आपका complete thought है. अब ये you have these pending lines. अब the story tells us two things about European business, both positive. दो चीजें बताती है स्टोरी. कौन सी? द स्टोरी कौन सी? ये टेक ओवर बैटल वाली स्टोरी. ओके, कौन सी? फर्स्ट थिंग ये है. ओके, द फर्स्ट से तो वैसे क्लियर हो रहा है और अब एक ही लाइन बची हुई है तो सेकंड थिंग ये होने वाली है. और वैसे भी एंड मोर इंपॉर्टेंट लिखा हुआ है. इट मीन्स दैट कुछ चीज के बारे में बात हो रही होगी जिसके बारे में पहले बात हो चुकी है. सो दिस इज हाउ इट्स going to work. This is going to be the third line and then fourth line क्योंकि ये first reason है and then ये last line क्योंकि ये second reason है. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So we have moved this as the third line and then this as the fourth line और वैसे भी अब सिर्फ एक ही line बची है, so it is going to come at the end. Let's see if the answers are correct or not. Yes, the answers are correct. So you see how important it can be to have correct strategies, to know correct strategies, to implement correct strategies to solve your reorder paragraphs. And what are Marvel PTE's strategies? Marvel PTE's strategy, the first strategy is finding independent line. You had seen how we have found the independent line in this reorder paragraph. Then BS strategy, brought to specific strategy. The naming strategy is a part of BS strategy. CO strategy, chronological order strategy. When there are years associated, time associated, we use this strategy. LO strategy, logical order strategy. Then connectors, TO strategy, topic order strategy, AB strategy, abbreviation strategy, SO strategy. We have seen its usage, subject object strategy, and last sentence rules. Okay, so there are certain rules which we can use to find last sentences also. Always remember you have just 2 minutes to solve your reorder paragraph. So in first 30 to 60 seconds, you are going to skim the content. You have to find independent line and then you have to find the conclusion line. And in the next 30 to 60 seconds, you have to apply the strategies. The same strategies which you have seen, we are applying over here. And all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. What is the proof? The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students have achieved their target score. So if they can achieve, you can also achieve. And these are some of our success stories where you can see students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, 81. So if they have scored, you can also score. And if you have any question or doubts, you can WhatsApp us at 8699 121 121. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and you can contact us if you want to take online coaching or in-institute coaching. We give wings to your dreams.